Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today we will not get to see some good moves on the chart of Euro USD or any Euro pair or GBP pair because of bank holidays. On any economic calendar, you can go and check that there is bank holiday NZD, CHF, GP, Euro. So overall, you can expect the market to remain silent, market to remain sleepy because of Easter. And only good moves we can see right now is on the chart of gold. Gold is showing crazy moves right after the market opening because gold did not get the chance to react after the NFP. But Euro USD right now is sleeping, and more or less we can expect the pair to remain like this throughout the day. By tomorrow, we may get to see some moves, but today, as the bank holiday, because of bank holiday, more or less we can expect the pair to remain sleepy. But still, knowing the important levels is important because tomorrow we'll have to trade, isn't it? So overall, we can see that on the chart of Euro USD, market is showing a wedge kind of a pattern, and wedge is a trend reversal pattern. But right now, in this case, we cannot expect the market to go for trend reversal because for a trend reversal, breakout, breakdown, we need volume. And right now, market does not have volume. So at least for today, we can expect that market will not be showing any trend reversal moves. But yes, during in the coming week, a trend reversal may come because we can see the exact opposite on the chart of DXY. DXY is showing a falling wedge pattern. Here we have a rising wedge, here we have a falling wedge, and falling wedge is also a trend reversal pattern. And you can see that DXY, though market sentiment was extremely bearish, but DXY was not ready to surrender, and still dollar is showing recovery. It is standing at 102.17. 101.90 was very critical, because of the market sentiment. We saw DXY breaking the support, but still it managed to survive again, and right now we can see that DXY is trading above the critical support of 101.90. In the coming days, there is a possibility that DXY will show some good recovery. And if DXY fails also, there will be multiple support on the chart, and the support will be around 101.50, 10080. Next important level, next important event on the market is CPI. That is on Wednesday, I guess. So this is all about DXY right now. Now let's talk about Euro USD. Before I proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who have sponsored today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, but also you can use these tools as additional confirmation in your analysis and take your trading to the next level. They also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And my dear friends, probably you all have seen me talking about Chart Prime for the last couple of months. And my dear friends, trust me, their service is really awesome. My dear friends, as we all know it very well, that no tool, no trader, no company is 100% accurate. But with proper risk management and additional help from a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely expect to earn some good money and change your trading completely. And to know about the functioning of these tools, you can simply go to their website chartprime.com, and under tutorial section you will find many videos. In case you are still confused about the functioning of the indicators, you can simply go to the Discord channel. You'll see that they conduct 2 weekly classes. In one class, they teach about the functioning of the indicators, and in second class, they talk about the strategies that you can use with the help of these indicators. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and as you can see that there are many signals generated by their tool Market Oracle. Possible reversal down means there's a possibility that the market will be going down. So you should go for a sell. Possible reversal up means the tool is saying that you should be looking for buy position. Possible reversal down means you should be looking for sell position. It may look like a magic, but my dear friends, again I'm repeating, no tool is 100% accurate, so proper risk management is extremely important. And prime oscillator is another powerful tool where you will see divergences. Those who know how divergences work, this will be very useful. I'm a fan of divergence. Okay, so this oscillator is a very powerful tool. Okay, and in addition to that, there are some other tools also, indicators like pattern detector, smart money concept. Okay, you can check them out later on. And the best part is the pricing. Okay, we can see that the pricing is very competitive in comparison to the other players. Okay, you can see that they only charge $57 per month, which is quite less in comparison to the other service providers in this category. Okay, at first you can simply try the tool for 1 month and I'm sure you'll love it. Use the link in the description to get 30% discount at the checkout. The discount is available on monthly and quarterly plans only. If you're looking for discount on annual plan, please let me know. I'll get it for you from the chart prime. You can also scan the QR code on the screen for faster registration. Please check them out. So in this present level, I will not recommend any trade because we can clearly see that though market is standing on the 50 moving average, which is also the dynamic support for the market, but we can see that though market is standing at the support, but still market is not going up. Market is not showing any upside. It means that the buyers in the market does not have the strength. The buyers in the market does not have the potential to push the market up. In this market situation, there is always a possibility that market will fall, not fall, at least market will show some further correction. In this pattern, okay, it's always better to look for a buy around 1.0, okay, 1.0897. Yes, sorry, it's 1.0867 to 1.0847. This is an ideal level on the chart of Euro USD where we can expect the buyers to be present, where we can expect the buyers to push the market here, because you can see here we have Fibonacci 23.6% retracement around this area. We also have the trend line, which is also the dynamic support for the market. And if we consider Fibonacci from this particular level here, you can see here we also have Fibonacci 50% around this area. So if we consider all the factors here, then there is a good chance that if buyers around this level fails to push the market up, when market will be coming down to 1.0867 or 1.0847, they will be trying their best to push the market up. If not a complete trend reversal, or if not a big massive green candle, at least we can expect a move of 30 pips, 35 pips. If it would have been GBP USD, then I would have recommended 45 pips, but Euro USD right now is silent, so as a result I'm expecting a move of 30 pips. If I take a trade, then yes, my TP1 will be around 25 to 30 pips only. Okay, so and in this case, when we do not have much volume, bank holiday is there, so I will not recommending any trend reversal. I think that in this market situation, if market comes also to test this level, we can look for a buy position. And during in the next coming 1 or 2 days, if market shows an upside, then the trend line at the top may act as the dynamic resistance. Usually I do not recommend taking a sell or taking a buy simply at trend lines these days, because they do not work, okay, like they used to. Okay, but in this case we have a rising wedge pattern, and in rising wedge pattern we see trend lines working as well. So if market shows an upside, then you can expect 1.1000 to act as the next resistance for the market. Not only we have a trend line as the dynamic resistance, but this is also a psychological resistance for the market. Okay, so we can expect sellers to be present around this area. If market shows reversal from 1000 level, we can definitely take a sell position as well. So this is a sell level for us, and this is a buy level for us on the chart of euro dollar. Apart from these two levels, I do not see any other good opportunity on the chart. Yes, during the week, if market shows a drop, we can look for a sell position. But yes, for that, I'll be coming again tomorrow and to update you. But I don't, as of now, I do not see any other opportunity yet. So these are the two opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. If I take you to the hourly time frame, then on the hourly time frame also you can see that there is not a clarity about the next direction of the market. So that's why I said that this is not the ideal level to take a buy or sell, because our risk to reward ratio will not be in our favor. And as we all know, discipline is the most important thing for a trader to survive in the market. So do not compromise with the discipline. Wait for the market to come down to your own level. If you solely trade on Euro USD, then just call it a day, take some risk. Okay, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care.